Morning everyone. Just quick timing update here. Keep it really brief. Uh, Same with that chart I posted yesterday on Twitter on the timing. I was looking at these swing failure up here at the 96s. Didn't get that. Started to sell off. Think we're gonna, we need to look to buy dips into the low 50s, and hopefully that coincides with this 2090s in the V stocks. If we do get a little pop, I'll probably be a seller into the 80s up here in the cash session, just for the move lower, just because I think we're a bit overdone here, and we're starting to see the timing indicators roll over here, and they've actually turned. They've turned here, and on the V stocks they've turned bullish, or they've turned up, and we've been seeing some divergence here on the recent lows. One little clue yesterday was that we were going to turn, but it was a bit after. It's easy to see in hindsight. Was the V stocks didn't put in any new lows when the stocks actually put in a new high, putting in new highs. And then we had that sharp sell-off on the US econ data, keeping me I'm not thinking that this is going to be a larger top. I'm always open to it when see when it gets there. If it starts to show its hand, then fine. But for now, it's not really suggesting to me that this is a massive top here. If we were to see maybe a swing failure down at these lows, then maybe, or something up at this high before we start turning. But for now, I think it's got to stay bullish. I'm keen to buy dips, but I do mean dips, and not just buying it here. And I'd like it to coincide with something in the V stocks. To keep in mind, this is interesting. This little high here, we came up and we took it out, and we couldn't close above it in the V stocks. So that kind of keeps me thinking that this is more likely going to roll over, and we're going to see a bit more sideways action. We've got ECB tomorrow, so I think that will dictate our future direction. But for now, I think you have to focus on this area here, this previous resistance, and see if we can get a reaction here. And if we get something going, for some reason, if we move up to those 90s, 96s, and we get a swing failure up here, then we can shift our attention bearish and look for a deeper pullback. And I wanted to see something that's along the same lines in the V stocks as well. I don't just really want to go with say, oh, this is the turn here. This doesn't seem like a top just yet to me. So cautious for now. Want to buy dips, but let's wait for some more clues. It's always hard at the first, hard to pull first thing in the morning.